But I thought that I already told you. Way too soft, boy, you move like tofu.
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm showing y'all how to sound like Kuru in this song called Tofu on the new album called Backstage Hologram. Now, I don't know much about Kuru, to be honest. I kind of like this song. I thought the preset was kind of unique. I decided to remake this preset for you guys. Enough with the app, and if you guys haven't heard the song, this is Tofu by Kuru.
Boy, I thought that I already told you. Way too soft, boy, you move like tofu. Ain't no hoes in the price, I know you. I can't itch in the crew, my feet up. My little bro put grand boo on the Roku. Tweet that one time, you want a flat list. Hit that up, I need someone chocolate. I said I wanted one time, I'll copy. Walked in the party, I know on the topic. Walked in the party like you know I'm rainbow. I ain't try to hit it one time, I'ma stay low. 10 bands, one bag, went to the bank. Wow, I already know my social changed it.
Now, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these presets and show you guys what my raw vocals sound like. This is me trying to sound like Kuru.
But I thought that I already told you. Way too soft, boy, you move like tofu. Ain't no hoes in the price, I know you. Shit, and turn my feet up. No bro, put grand boo on the Roku.
That's enough of that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on all these presets, and this is what it sounds like.
But I thought that I already told you. Way too soft, boy, you move like tofu. Ain't no hoes in the price, I know you. I'm the shit and the crib, my feet up. No bro, put grand boo on the Roku. Tweet that one time, you on a blacklist. It's that left funny, some more drop quick. I said I wanted one time, I'ma cop it. Walk in the party, I know on the topic. Walk in the party like you know my ring bro. I ain't tryna hit it one time, I'ma stand down. 10 bands, one bag, went to the bank. Wow, I already know that my stuff is tainted.
That's what my Kuru preset sound like, and this preset is completely free. Sadly, it's only a main. There wasn't really a lot of ad-libs on this album. Since it's just a main, I don't really feel right selling this as an FLP and a template on my website, so this is just going to be a completely free preset, and it will be in my Discord. The only preset here that isn't free is this master preset, which for this video I am using my Best Ways master preset once again. That preset is $10 on my website, BNVLNT.shop, if you guys want to cop it. I'll go ahead and show you guys what this sounds like with and without a master real quick, because it's been a while since I showed you guys. I'm going to start without the master, and then I'm going to turn it on and turn it off, turn it, whatever. This is what it sounds like.
But I thought that I already told you. Way too soft, boy, you move like tofu. Ain't no hoes in the price, I know you. I'm the shit and the crib, my feet up. No bro, put grand boo on the Roku. Tweet that one time, you on a blacklist. It's that left funny, some more drop quick. I said I wanted one time, I'ma cop it. Walk in the party, I know on the topic. Walk in the party like you know my ring bro. I ain't tryna hit it one time, I'ma stand down. 10 bands, one bag, went to the bank. Wow, I already know that my stuff is tainted.
And yeah, basically what my master does is it just compresses it a little bit, limits it to make it a little bit louder, and then there's also some subtle de-essing, and it clears up the stereo a little bit. Also, this specific preset does use waves. The de-esser, the compressor, the max bass, and the L1 are all waves plugins. So if you guys don't have waves, you guys could get my stock master preset, which is fully stock in FL. I do have that version, which is very similar in sound. But with that being said, if you guys do want this Kuru main preset, go to the Discord linked in the description. Scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and that Kuru preset will be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in here. So if you guys are looking for a specific artist, you can go in there and find exactly what you're looking for. Go get some free presets and make some good music. But yeah, the last thing I'm going to show you guys real quick is the auto-tune settings. So this song was in the key of C# minor, and I did use a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 0 to get that robotic sound to it. Yeah, I mean, there's not much else to talk about. It's a really simple preset, but I'll go ahead and show you guys how to use this preset just in case you guys are newer to FL. So if you've never used a preset before, first thing you want to do is you want to go to your options, go to your audio settings, and make sure this device is set to your interface. For years I was using FL Studio ASIO and I didn't know. I had a Focusrite and I just didn't know this was a thing. So definitely change this to your interface if you have one. If you don't, use something like ASIO for All, or there's also something called Flex ASIO. I don't know much about it, but ASIO for All works. Use one of those, and what that allows you to do is get lower latency. With FL Studio ASIO, you cannot get low latency. You cannot record and hear yourself in FL. It just doesn't work. Also, if you want to know exactly how much latency you have, this little number right here is your output latency. So for me right now with this setup, it's 23 milliseconds. I find that anything below 30 milliseconds is fine, but once I start going over 30, it's too much. And to fix that, this buffer length right here, I keep mine around 128, but you could probably go as low as 64. The lower you go, the less latency you'll have. So if I lower mine to 64, now I only have 20 milliseconds of latency. So that's basically how that works. But if you lower this too low, you might start getting crackling sounds in your recordings, and you don't really want that. Only go as low as your computer can handle. I like to keep mine at 128. Now that all that is out of the way, the next step is clicking right here and clicking input 1. Now you guys should be able to hear me in FL. All you have to do to record is go up here to the top, press this record button, and press the spacebar.
But I thought that I already told you. Way too soft, but you move like tofu. That's literally all there is to it.
That's pretty much all I have for this video. If it did help you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.